Hey, what's up? It's your boy Emin Kizzle. Welcome to another episode. We're gonna be cooking up some fire beats today with some chords. I'm gonna show you the whole process. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and of course share this with a friend, because we know we got a lot of beat makers out there. We got a lot of artists out there, and you know they're always looking for beats. So people just trying to simply learn or jam to some great music. So without further ado, let's get right into this session. Let's go. Bow. So we're gonna start it off cool with some chords. Just keep it like, you know, chill. I got a complete control hybrid keys to take us there. We're gonna put this one at 100 beats per minute. And keep it cool like that. Now the thing is, nowadays we don't like beats to be too complicated. We always want to leave space for the artist. We want the person to feel, you know, we want the vocals to come out properly. So you're gonna just keep it simple, okay? Sometimes less is more. I got that tip from Ryan Leslie. He's one of my biggest inspirations. So you know, of course, I think he's definitely right about that. Now we're gonna get straight into the kicks, because that's the way I like to do it. I mean, every way is okay. I'm gonna get straight into the drum kit. We're gonna find a proper snare, we're gonna find a proper kick, and then we're gonna combine both, and we're gonna see how it sounds. So we're gonna try to find a kick that's like, you know, pop style. We're not gonna make it sound too gritty, too thin. We're gonna make it sound like very, like, you know, commercial. Always good to add a little effects to the music. Hey. Alright, time for the 808s. It's either you can add like a synth to it, or you could add just like some 808s to just make it just, you know, shake up the place. I mean, it's there, we have the choice. It's like a pop song, so you know it's gonna sound a bit different. We're gonna work with the keyboard just to get the keys right. You know, it's always better with the 808s. It's just like so low. So I got this melody in my head. What I want to do is I'm going to record my voice, and I will export the melody of that voice into a Midi so that I can use that melody with any other instrument. I'm gonna show you how to do this. So here's the melody. I don't really know how to sing, right? So I'm gonna try this something. We used to love in the morning star. We used to find our way to be free. We used to morning star. We used to find our way to be free. Alright, so that's it. All I'm gonna do is now put it into the software. Now my software is French, right? So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. Once you get there, you convert it into Flex Pitch. Flex Pitch is pretty cool. It's a tool that allows you to analyze the pitch of your voice. It's a pitch corrector, basically. Kind of like auto-tune. So there I'm going to quantize it. I'm going to correct everything. Put it on the proper notes. And then I'm going to just click here. And normally I have créer une piste à partir des données flex pitch. Now that means create a MIDI track with information from flex pitch. So what it's gonna do, it exports to me directly into a melody. Now, instead of hurting my head, I can just pop this one right on top. Put this one over there, and there you go. What I'm gonna do then, I'm gonna just correct the little mistakes in my voice. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, hit that like button, hit that share button, and let your friends know. Don't know, exit to the world. Bow.